Hi there, it's Elizabeth from Domestic Heights. So today I'm going to show you how to assemble a butterfly bow. And here I have my pre-cut uh, faux leather here. So we're going to do this 3-layered one, and obviously you can use a template to make 2 tier 1s or just even 1 tier 1. So we're going to start with the base piece here, and um, And what I'm using here is just a hot glue gun. There's different types of glue that work. I just have regular glue, which works fine here. But you can also get a special type of Gorilla hot glue, which tends to be even more permanent than a hot glue gun. So we want to take this base, and the thing with gluing faux leather is you want to you want to do the majority of your gluing on the fuzzy side because this will stick a lot better. The smooth side doesn't necessarily stick that well with hot glue. So to create that sort of rivet effect, I'm going to use this base piece to sort of demonstrate how to create that most effectively with faux leather. So here you just want to provide 2 tiny little dabs, but we're going to start with 1. And once that's in, you want to pinch and hold for a few seconds and let that glue set on the felt fuzzy area. So we're going to create our second little fold. Be careful here so that you don't burn your fingers. So if you created the fold on the smooth side, I find sometimes it sticks, but it's not as reliable as if you do this on the fuzzy side. Okay, so here, if you flatten this out a little bit, you can see that it sort of creates a divot. I mean, we're not finished here yet, but these 2 folds hold when you glue it on the fuzzy side. Okay, so we're gonna hold it there for now. So now we're gonna do the middle bow piece. A little bit of glue goes a long ways. Let's glue that down. Alright, we're gonna glue this on top here. So here, we're just gonna be really generous and put some glue in the crevice, put it on top. And sort of hold it in place. Alright. Problem is it gets a little hot, and so when it gets hot, it melts a little bit. The glue that was there before, and you might have to re-glue that part. Nothing like washing glue dry. Okay. Alright, look at there. Gently fold this up. I'm gonna leave that be for a little bit. So our third piece here, I think I actually just want to keep this top part flat. I think it looks pretty good, just flat. So I'm just gonna glue this top piece down. right here. And then you just want to glue the final little strip down. There you go. Final little glue. And there you have it. Butterfly bow.